Okay, good morning, YouTube. We are still in beta trials here with our live streams. We are getting them going. Okay, good morning, YouTube. We are volume there so I don't overlap myself. This camera behind me is what you're seeing here on my screens. As my colleagues get here, especially Tono Miakoda this morning, we will get going. You'll see us trade. This isn't the show we're going to be doing normally. We're still doing beta trials here, so our screen isn't as pretty as it will be. It isn't providing as much information as it will be, but you'll see how we do here if you happen to be watching. Otherwise, these beta trials are just for ourselves to make sure everything's working in the right order. So what do we have here? It's a Monday morning. We have gold is, right now the price is, let's go over here and look at the 5-minute chart. All right, we have gold that has been falling for the last, well, I guess the last few hours since about 3:30 this morning. And it has bottomed out here for now, right above the DM2 pivot, actually a little bit above that on a swing pivot here. And for the last 20 minutes has been gently moving up. Where could this go? If it's got upward momentum, I'd probably come back up here, maybe to the top of this channel before coming back around and moving down. It looks like we have some bearish, some selling pressure, so we might not be going up for this whole session, but for now, that's the way things are looking, although not convincingly looking. Here at the 1 minute, we have another story. Price is moving down and only moving up here for the last 20 minutes or so. When that started about 7, just 3 minutes before 7 a.m. It is 7:15, 7:16 right now, so might be hitting the top of this channel again if it's going to keep doing what it's been doing here and start coming down here now. So we'll see. Don't quite have confluence between the 5-minute, which looks like it wants to move up, and the 1 minute that looks like it wants to move down. So this will give us an opportunity to see which chart is calling the shots this morning. Okay. Taking a look at some of the other indicators and charts. Seeing where major support and resistances are, seeing what pivots we're close to. Looks like we have plenty of room to go up without hitting a major pivot until we get to the daily pivot point, which is going to be right up here. So if it decided to go up, we've got some free range. We're going to hit a little turbulence here. And then we've got, the daily pivot here where, we won't know what happens up there until we get there. On the way down, we do have a little more chop. We've got a swing range here and a support level where it took support last time on that swing range. So it could grab support there again. We've got the Sunday open, could see a little reaction there. And then right below that, we have this yellow dotted line, which is the DM2, the DM2 pivot where sellers typically take profit. Right below that, we have the WM2. So if we blast through the DM2, then certainly we'll be taking profit around the WM2 and price would turn around there, at least for a little while. Being Monday morning, let's see what we have news-wise. Let's refresh that. So it's Monday morning, June 9th, and we have nothing that's going to really impact us this morning. Some final wholesale inventories on the US, but that's a yellow folder, meaning low impact on Forex, on gold. So nothing there. Tuesday, also a big nothing burger. A couple of things here, but also yellow folders. Wednesday. Here we go. Now we're getting into some news that will drive price. Core CPI. Thursday we have unemployment, core PPI, PPI month over month. So that will be that will add some volatility. And then on Friday we have prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So that drives price if it's different than what is forecast by the time we get there. So that's our week in store for today. Unless Trump says something outrageous or the riots in Los Angeles become bigger news than they have been and inject some safe haven appeal to gold, then looks like we'll have just kind of a normal subdued market day. Sometimes those are too subdued to really do any good trading in. Other times it's good for some little scalps here and there. So let's just find out what kind of day today is and trade accordingly. I'm going to get the rest of my charts set up here. I'd like to get my spot gold 5-second chart set up here, just below my futures gold setup. 10-second chart right above it. The 5-second gives me a little more detail on the movements. Okay. Looks like we'll have a colleague or two pop on here in a moment.
Good, buddy.
Hey, Tono.
How you doing,
How
man?
you doing? I'm doing all right. How are you?
Good. How was dinner? Ah,
Dinner was good. I had a couple glasses of wine more than I needed
I hear that.
to have had, but otherwise,
Have you ever went to La
not too bad.
Bernardin?
Not too bad. Where is? No, I don't
That's a
think so.
great restaurant, man.
I think you've mentioned it before, but no, I haven't. We had friends over and we ordered out and
Okay.
or ordered in for delivery. Yeah, they were some of our friends from Barcelona.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Where is? Where's
Great
my
article this
video?
morning you wrote, man.
Oh, which one was that? They publish automatically. Let me look.
Oh, the TDM of trading.
Oh, the TDM of trading.
Yeah, spot on.
Cool. I can't see my camera.
I see the back of your head.
Do you?
Uh-huh.
That's yeah, that's the right camera, but I can't see that on my screen.
Kind of
It's
weird. It's
weird.
like
Oh,
futures and
here it is.
spot are doing two different things.
Ah, here we go. All right. Um, Okay, well, it's looking like it wants to go up a little bit, but it isn't in any hurry.
No. Like 18. It hasn't broken it for a minute there.
Yeah. I guess if it breaks here with some decision, that'd be an okay trade.
You have a clean run up. There's nothing stopping it.
Right.
Either way, actually. Hey, something's off today.
Something's off? You feel off?
Yeah, I feel off. Oh, the market feels off too. As I'm watching it, it's like seems like the spot and the futures are doing two different things at times. The wrinkle definitely is not doing following it. Wrinkles going up, spots coming down. It's, it's like a delay, a serious delay somewhere.
Yeah, a little bit. I think if the Renko breaks through this, might be a buy.
Yeah, you're rushing.
Okay.
Look at the 10-second resistance. See,
You're broken on mine.
it just wicked it.
Uh,
You see,
yeah,
you remember I said sit on your hands for the next 10-second candle.
yeah,
It won't kill you.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah,
If you're right, then you're right. If you're wrong, you wind up in a trade that you got to now manually handle and just deal with the frustration of it.
yeah.
It's not worth it. You don't have to be the fastest or the quickest into the trade.
The fastest pip in the West.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah. Been letting you out.
Not yet. No, I'm negative 10. It's taking the scenic route.
Yeah.
That was 70.
Good.
No, no, I didn't. I got out with, I don't know what I got out with. I have to look. 60, I think. Yeah, 60.
It's good. All right. The blue box in a 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let's wait for the break out of that. I would like to see a break above 21 and change area. That resistance has been holding it back.
$21 and change, you said?
Yeah, on the spot gold.
Yeah.
You see the I don't know if that's what is that? Do you see that long red resistance
On
on
the
the
right,
trading view chart?
on the 1 minute. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's on the 10-second chart. Look at the 10-second chart first. You see, it
Yeah.
says 33.21, 1.140. and there's a orange resistance line there within it.
Yeah.
If it gets past that, I think we're gonna have some run.
Right.
Even though there's resistance on the 1 minute.
We have a swing high coming up on the 10-second too.
Yeah. Where's your swing high on the 10-second?
Just about 3343.5.
33.43. Why might say 33.40? Something is really off, man, with the market today.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm looking at it. It's going down. Something is off.
Where you see it going down?
On the 10-second. You see that?
Right now, I see the first kind of bearish candle.
That's what you see right now?
Yeah. You see my screen? You seen the same thing I'm seeing?
Bring it up. Hold on.
You on the wrong asset?
I might be on there. What are those blue candles? The down candles?
Yeah, the blue candles are bearish.
I'm on micro futures. Let me show you what I see. This is not right. Maybe that's why I'm off today. Look at what I sent you just now.
Are you on the right month for micro futures?
Well, let me just get on the regular futures first, and then I need to be on micro. So
oh wow, that's a completely different thing that's going on here.
Yeah, I was on. I just put myself on GC1. That's what you're on, right?
Yeah, GC1 exclamation point.
That makes a difference. Now it's matching up.
Okay.
I was saying I'm not losing my mind. You know what I mean? These things are not matching up. Something's
Right.
off today.
Right.
Oh my God. I'm like, wait a minute. How can you trade this? All right, it just broke above that resistance I was talking about on the.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably take it if it goes again, right?
Yeah. And now I see the swing high of 3343. That's what I'm saying. Nothing was matching up, man.
Right.
You're looking at futures 10 seconds or the spot 10 seconds?
I'm looking at futures 10-second, and then just below here on my iPad, I have spot 5-second.
Okay. It broke above it and turned back around.
Yeah. Here it comes again.
Mhm.
Not much volume in the market.
No. It's still not right. The market's still not right. The market's going up on the futures 10-second, right?
No,
You said no?
no.
What, what the hell am I looking at here?
Remember, my blue candles are bearish.
Yeah, but look. Something is fucking off, man. Look what I just sent you. We're doing two completely opposite things.
Whoa. Yeah, that's dirt. And this is,
You're on CG1 exclamation point. I'm
yeah.
on it. I'm 3340.
Yeah, I'm at 3340 right now too.
I'm at 3341. Why are we having different numbers? And why is the market doing two different things?
I don't know. That's very weird. My charts line up for spot and futures. Both are doing the same thing.
Mine are not. So what the hell is going on? I've never seen this before, man.
And your spot is on the right
My
asset?
spot is at 3319,
Yep, mine too.
right?
And where's your futures right now?
3341.
Yeah, I'm at 3348, 3340.8.
Right, we should be identical. It's trade.
Yeah.
We're on the same thing on TradingView.
Yeah.
Same broker. So
Right.
why are we getting different numbers?
Right, we shouldn't be getting different numbers.
Am I delayed or are you delayed? One of us is delayed. And I'm starting to think it might be me because it's not matching up on my end.
Weird. What time is the current candle on the 10-second?
It's on 7:40, 20.
Okay, I'm on 750.
What?
Yeah, it looks like you have a 10-minute delay or something.
Oh, how is that? What the hell is going on?
Are you signed into Tradeovate on your
I'm gonna do it right now.
MT4 on your TradingView?
I'm gonna do it right now just to make sure.
Did your TradingView subscription lapse?
Oh, I know what it was. Okay, that's gonna down. Where you at? 3338 now?
Yeah.
Now I'm signed in. They remember they had the hack yesterday,
Yeah.
and they want you to do your password.
Yeah.
I never did mine, so I wasn't signed in.
I didn't redo my password either, but I
Really?
No.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I redid my password yesterday.
Oh,
So I was signed in on one and not signed in on the other.
got it.
Man, I was about to say, am I losing my edge? Oh man, I was like saying, wait a minute, man, you can't read
That's the
charts?
sell.
Yeah.
Like 110.
Nice. About with 80.
About to do another sell here. I think I'm in.
Cool. Feeling that. Put you out with
50.
nice.
I thought the Renko was showing me it was about to go up, but it didn't go up. So you still might get a little bit out of that.
Yeah, I only took 25 on it. This is on the 1 minute Fibonacci, which is the same one on the 5 on 5-second chart. Like the breaks, it might be going back up a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not going down. Bye.
You in?
Yeah. Oh, you didn't get in yet, right?
No.
Hold off a second. Kind of faked me out. I broke the 1 minute on the Hakanashi, but it's still not where I need it to be.
I see the play, but I've got a FX trend, the top three red. Yen is pointing up. Retail traders are 60% bullish, but the dollar and gold are about even pair on FX blue.
Okay.
One minute before the 8 o'clock candle.
Good morning.
Hey, Rock.
What's up, Rock?
You don't.
Tono's in a buy.
Oh, nice.
A little bit under, a little bit drawdown right now, but about to break through.
It's trying.
Very cool. Yeah. See.
How did Mary make out with a MetaTrader?
MetaTrader. She'll come out in a minute. I'll ask her.
Okay.
She's having a hard time articulating. It's like it's okay. It's all good.
Right, up in profit now. See what it wants to do.
You in profit now? Yeah, of course, right?
Yeah, I'm in like $30 profit, but it seems to just be teetering on this in this area. Like get out just to get out and be clean again.
There we go. 8 o'clock's giving a little something here. Did you exit, Sensei?
No, I should have. Exactly zoning. I was looking at something else and didn't really pay attention to it. So I should have gotten out when it was that $50 profit. I think it'll go back up though. See, that earlier when we were talking about I said something was off, the market wasn't talking to me.
Yeah.
And it was true, right?
Yeah.
All you got to do is really take a second to figure out what the heck's going on, because it should be speaking the same language. And if it doesn't,
Yeah.
then you got to reevaluate, is it you or is it the market,
Right.
or is it your system? And it turned out to be I wasn't signed into Tradeovate. No news Monday.
No news Monday.
And really, not much going on Tuesday either.
No,
Right.
so.
Not until Wednesday to think.
Yeah. Been like no volume.
Yeah.
Even spot has been like really spotty.
I haven't even thought about trading a spot with this volume.
Yeah, that makes, yeah. In Europe and China, this seems to be a bank holiday, so.
Oh, that's probably it.
Yeah.
Is that what's going on?
Well, yeah, that's, I mean, in the Forex thing, in the calendar, yeah.
Yeah, that'll do it then.
Yeah.
Bank holiday in Switzerland, in France, in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah, that explains why it's so bad.
Mm.
not the UK. The UK is open. What have we here?
That was a good call.
Could have stayed.
Could have stayed. Yeah.
Could have
You should
stayed.
swing low on this on the 5 second. Could have
Yeah.
wrote it down to that.
Yep. What I did was I wasn't looking at the Renko. I was looking at the 10-second chart, and I saw a slight begin to pull back, and
Right.
I triggered out instead of staying in. Bad move.
Yeah, there's a yellow line on the wrinkle chart that you could have kind of
Yeah.
watched.
Yep. Took $60 on it.
That was good enough.
I might have another one setting up here if it breaks through these supports.
Just swing low on the 1 minute at 33.12 on the spot, which is probably where it wants to go.
Right at 33.10, I have the Sunday open, and then right below that we have the DM2.
Mm-hmm.
But things are shaping up to look a little bit more bearish. We've got the top 3 red on FX trend, the next 2 green, the next 2 red, the next 2 green. I'm shooting for between 3 and 500 per session for the next, I guess 19 sessions. So I'm trying to pass my challenges, and I just hit 320.
Well, you're good.
So I'm good. If there's an A+ setup, I'll take it. But otherwise, I think I'm got my nut for the day.
Yeah, you got to know when to quit.
Yep.
You're going to feel the urge. Keep going, get more.
Well, if there's an A+ setup, I will give in to the urge. But if not, I won't.
I'm at exactly 300 for the day.
Nice.
Because I did 220 last night.
Ah, good.
So I'm only up $80 for the day, not including last night, but I'm kind of where I want to be too.
Right.
I'm in a bad trade on my Top Step account by $125. So Let's see what happens. I just get out of that trade. But got a doctor's appointment today anyway.
Here we come. Gonna break through. It
There's
does.
that yellow line there. Be
Yeah.
careful. Trying to sucker people in.
Yep.
You see that?
Yeah.
The tedium, the tedium.
Yeah, yeah. I read that. Tono, Mary will get in touch with you this afternoon.
Okay.
Her chart is all messed up. Her 1 minute.
For 1 minute?
Yeah.
Is she in front of you now?
Yeah.
Tell her to right click on it
Yeah.
and
Right
go
click
to
on it. Yeah.
go to templates
Go to templates.
and look for the 1 minute Hakanashi.
Look for the 1 minute Hakanashi.
Not 1 minute Hakanashi, just look for Hakanashi.
Hakanashi. Yeah, it says Coda FX Hakanashi. It worked. Yeah.
Thank you.
Did it fix it?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Gonna
Great.
remember that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tell her don't trade if there's nothing to see, just to be trading.
All right. Okay, she heard that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
1 minute for the COMEX Open. There it is. Little fake out to the bottom, those
You
little
saw that? Did you see that?
rascal bastards.
Everybody with an itchy finger would have jumped on that cell,
Yeah.
right?
I'm going to make a quick trip to the cookie jar. I'll be right back.
Okay. All right.
Cookie jar, I mean cookie jar. Rock, have you ever been to Levain Bakery?
Many, many times.
Yeah, well, we had some guests over last night and we got some Levain cookies for dessert.
Oh, aren't they the best?
Yeah, and there's one left over, so it's my breakfast.
Man, their Rocky Road is amazing.
Mhm.
There's a Levan 2 blocks away, so
Oh, yeah.
yeah. I'm in a very dangerous neighborhood.
Yeah, ours is about 2 blocks away, too.
Do you know Maman?
No.
Maman is a French bakery, and it
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Good desserts there too. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's great, man.
I'm out of here. I'll just get out of this trade. So I'm up $320 on my one account for the day. I'm down 100 on another. 100, actually 110.
Uh-huh.
So it's not a wash. That sucked. I could have held it, but it was just like tedious.
Yeah. Sometimes just getting out of it clears the mind.
Yeah.
So we had some friends over for dinner last night that we knew from Barcelona. The husband is from Barcelona, but the wife is from Singapore, and they live in Singapore. And they have two teenage daughters who have grown up in Singapore.
Wow.
Had never been to the US.
Mm.
But, you know, they watch American TV, watch American movies.
Right.
And so on their list of things they wanted to do here in New York, Magnolia Bakery, Levain Bakery, Chipotle, Olive Garden.
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden. What else? Chick-fil-A.
Really?
Oh my.
Yeah.
They have this YouTube channel
Uh-huh.
where they have they take US food over to different places like London
Yeah.
or India.
Mhm.
And it's the funniest thing watching people eat the food. They're like, "Oh, this is delicious. This is yeah, but it's gonna kill you." You know?
Yeah.
Yes, it's delicious, but it will kill you. You know? I guess they don't realize that.
They wanted to go to a CVS.
Are you serious?
What?
Yeah, you
That
know,
is-
these things that they see in these shows, to them, walking around New York is like walking around a movie set. It's, you know, they've seen it their whole lives, but have never been.
That's nuts.
You know,
Wow.
I sent you a thing last night, Rock. A while back. I was flipping through YouTube,
Yeah.
and this really cheesy soap opera thing came up, and I'm like, who the hell is making this stuff? And then I read that article yesterday. I don't know if you got it.
I did get it. I would have to sign in to read it, but I got the point.
Oh, yeah. I guess these Chinese firms are really keeping Hollywood actors employed.
That is sad.
Yeah. But money to be made there.
What's that?
Maybe there's money to be made there for actors.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not that desperate.
We got to buy here.
But that's where it caught me at.
Mm.
So be careful.
Yeah, no,
So that swing high on the 5 second chart.
yeah.
Looks like it though.
One minute for 8:30. $8:30 could either break through this or turn around. 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Not enough volume in the market. It's not enough volume for me to trade. You guys gonna stay on?
I'm going to stay on till 10, 15 or so.
Okay. Don't read your article.
Yep.
Read your own article.
Yep.
I gotta get ready for a doctor's appointment. I'm gonna get this medication I need and give up my license for 6 months. Gotta do it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hear you.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Look at that. Now it's moving. As soon as it's listening to me.
Yeah.
Tono's leaving. Let's fucking play. There's the move you've been waiting on.
There it is. I think I'm in.
Yeah. The volume just isn't there. You know?
Yeah.
That's the problem. There's no volume to push it, and yeah.
I'll take the 60. What the hell?
I'm out 62. Yeah. All right. Good luck, fellas. Don't push it. Don't force it.
Yep.
All right. All right.
Have a good one, Tono.
I'll jump back on a little later on this afternoon when I finish with this doctor. If you guys want to. Mike, we got to go over the website anyway. All right.
Yep.
Cool, man.
All right. See ya.
All right, gentlemen.
Bye, Tono.
If it breaks the swing high, I think we have a buy because we don't have any pivot nearby. Maybe a little more confirmation here. Nope. Okay, now I'm in. Come on.
Yeah, I gotta log back in because I think my drawdown was too much.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sign in again. Because wait. Shit. No, you know what? Why do I keep forgetting how to sign in? To the trading view, which is what I'm using.
Oh. I had a little.
Oh, there you go. ETF, yeah, came. Wait. I'm confused. My
Well, this didn't go the way I planned.
Yeah, I see. Came down. Yeah,
Yeah.
Rex, calm down.
All right, I can come back from. I shouldn't have done that. Now I gotta wait a while.
Yeah. Huh. Is it going in your direction finally? No. not yet.
No, I exited. It took a loss. And then it came back up, but
Yeah.
not to the point where it would have let me out with
Right.
profit.
Profit. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm trying to log into like because my account should be replenished. Like I paid for another subscription for this month, so
Oh, yeah.
I like signing in to TradingView. Do I sign in with the ETF account or?
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess it's saved the wrong password.
There's a password on your dashboard, on your ETF dashboard for your account.
Okay. Okay. So let me go down to that then. Do I look at Tradeovate or what do I look at?
You go to ETF, and then once you're signed into ETF, you go to Trader Dashboard, I think.
Okay, give me a second. That's not what I did the last time. Did you take a trade?
Yeah, I
Mike?
took a sell. Yeah,
So, yeah. Nice.
I'm not liking how it's looking though.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
But still think it's coming down.
Yeah. So. Not log into my. Are you hyper focused on the trade?
I'm a little focused on the trade yet.
Okay, good, good. Just focus on that. I'll ask later after you're done with this.
All right, just took the 40. Go ahead. What were you going to say?
No, I just can't figure out how to, because when I trade futures, it's on TradingView,
Yeah.
.com, whatever, and I just when I try to log back in, it doesn't let me log back in with the ETF username.
Huh.
Yeah, it's saying either my password or my email is wrong, which doesn't make sense.
Hey, Rock.
Yeah.
A lot has happened. A lot has happened on TradingView. I can't even use my TradingView no more. So Tono hooked it up with I'm trading off of the same stuff. I think him and Mike trading off of now. Everything shut down. He said it got hacked over the weekend.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's right. That's why I gotta create a whole new thing, I think.
Yeah, you gotta, man. We had to go in there and do everything, and TradingView still don't work on mine.
Oh yeah. Did you take care of that, Mike?
Take care of what? I didn't have to do anything. I didn't change anything, and it seems to be working for me.
Okay, because they had a security breach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, this is kind of like pulling teeth. This is not good market conditions.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for that info, E-Man. I just remembered. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, I have to concentrate here because I've taken a couple losses and kind of backslid on my day. So can't revenge trade, just got to stay calm and wait for good setups and
Right.
what I can get.
Yeah, I'm glad you're talking it out because
Yeah, I've been holding the buy since about 21, and it fell down to 15. I'm just riding it back up. I wrote it from 18 to 21. That was $110, something like that. It's hard not to hold, ain't it?
Mm. There's a couple pips to be had. $30. All right, we got 9 o'clock coming up in 5 seconds. There it is. 9 o'clock decides we're going down. Unless it's just going to give us a little fake out. You get it working, Rock?
What's that?
Did you get it working?
Oh no. I'll deal with it later. I'm not dealing with it now. I'm dealing with Spot. I mean,
Yep. How you doing, E-Man? Are you still you still on the futures account?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm just Holding and holding.
You're gonna buy?
Yeah. Still ain't quite got a trading strategy for this futures thing yet, you know?
Yeah.
It just seemed like $150 come too fast. You know?
Yeah.
Man, you ever heard back from Jeff?
No.
This thing acting like it want to go down.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's going down to push up. But it's caught in a nice little trading trough. I hate I'm in the top. I didn't miss out on a lot of money, you know.
It's getting a little choppy for the way down. I see we're coming up on a swing low, and then we have the Sunday open, and then we have the DM2. I'd like to see it decide to go back up.
It's just weird.
All right. I don't know why I'm doing this. These aren't great setups. Squeeze out a few bucks here, a few bucks there. It's not worth the risk. I don't like these cells because we're coming up on some real supports here.
You get some good sells, Mike?
I've got a couple okay sells.
Yeah.
Well, it's crazy.
Nothing. I'm literally trying to calm back down.
We've got 3.5 minutes for the equities open. That typically will move things. Yeah, if you need to take a deep breath, take a deep breath.
Me? Yeah.
Yeah, I heard you say you need to calm back down. Did you take a loss? Okay. Might be getting a little false move up here right before the candle. If it breaks through the swing high here on the 10-second, then it might be a real move. But right now, I'm thinking it might just be a little bit of a fake out here for the turnaround and A minute and 10 seconds. All right, 1 minute. Okay. Let's see what 9:30 brings us. All right, that's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9:30. So where it goes. Give it a minute. And there we go. And into a buy that I might regret. I think I got in a little early, just before it hit the swing high. It looked like it had some momentum, but I think I got in early. Don't follow me in. Too early to tell yet. It's still trying to figure it out. Okay, I got lucky. But not yet. Yeah, I got lucky. I'll take it. We're gonna still go. Come on, we're gonna still go. Okay, I'll take that. Maybe I might get back in here. See what we got above here. I think this run might be petering out. Okay. I'm not one to take that down. So, see if we have another run up here. I like the price action on the way up, but my indicators are telling me that it's just doesn't have a lot of strength. There is volume in the market, so it still could go up. Price action rules, but it pushes through this resistance on the Renko. Might get back in for a little bit of a ride up. There it goes. Wasn't quite through the Renko. I'm still anticipating my moves a little bit too early. Nope, coming down for a unappetizing loss there. Let's see what happens. Is it going to turn back around? Yeah, I should have paid attention to my gut there. All right. If we come down any further, I got to think about either reversing the trade or just getting out. Okay, looks like we might be coming back up. I'm digging that. Come on. Might not have it. What are we doing, gold? Can we make it back up? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Gotta exit here. I might just reverse.
Man, this is so crazy. I done just lost so much money in this last little jump out because it did break to 10 where I got in at on the sale. Goes up to 17. I jump back in on the buy and it falls all the way back to 10 again.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I just took kind of a loss that ruined my day. I'll have to make it up this evening.
Man, I done took a $800 loss on the day. It's crazy, man. Something told me, said now, as soon as I jump in at 17, watch it reverse back down. I said that, and that's exactly what it did. And I said I was done for the day because it's just too up and down. It's no direction. because if you look at the 15-minute chart, it's nothing stopping it from going up and ain't nothing stopping it from going down. You know what I'm saying? It's just in limbo,
Yeah.
wiping us out. All right, well, I'm gonna ride out, man. I give y'all later.
I have no idea how I made 10 pips today.
Good job.
What? Yeah, well, I could have made way more, but I'm not taking any stupid chances anymore.
All right. I'm going to call it. I'm making some dumb trades and I got to dig myself out of a hole this evening. So,
Yeah, between last night and today, you took a loss.
yeah.
That's rough, man.
Yeah.
That's rough. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, man.
All right,
I'll
guys.
try to figure out my account. Yeah.
Have a good one.